I'm so depressed. This gave me anxiety. I'm burnt out. These self depreciating phrases are nowadays ubiquitous. They're more commonly found in memes, reels, or comedy shows. But behind these words lies a real struggle. When we take this humor lightly, we risk making the silent pain all the more invisible. This realization brings us to the greater truth that mental health is not a trend, it's a necessity. Our mental health shapes our relationship, our decisions, our purpose, and an overall life. And yet, in India, wherein 1 in 7 youth silently battle mental health issues, the stigma in society still forces many to suffer alone. So, let's get this straight: mental health is not a weakness, it's not attention seeking, it's health, real, valid, and deserving of care. Let's replace judgment with empathy and make listening louder than shaming. Let's normalize healing, not hiding.